Hi, here is an oversized simplex basket strainer. This one in particular is a DN50 2-inch inlet and outlet. Outlet on this side, inlet this side. Oversized by request of our customer, so barely any pressure drop and the ability to collect a lot more debris before having to stop the system and take the lid off and empty out the internal strainer basket. So we'll run between change outs a lot longer. Available in quite a few different size ranges. This is the smallest in a DN50. Manufactured from 316 stainless steel, ANSI 150-pound flanges, 20 bar rated. Contact Defender Valves in Australia for more information. Thank you for watching.